Racing is an exciting sport where you take driving to the limit, further proved by just how many racing games are available to gamers. With the wide array of RC vehicles available, you can unleash high-speed energy with a tactile experience indoors or out. Whatever you prefer to drive, there's something for you here. From something fast at a great price to the highest quality vehicle, and everything for cool tricks or big outdoors. Number 1. Woltoys 284131 RC Cars. Eltoys 284131 RC Car is a compact and powerful 128-scale drift car designed for enthusiasts seeking an exciting remote-controlled racing experience. Powered by a 130 brushed motor, it delivers speeds up to 30 km per hour, ensuring thrilling performance for drifting and racing. Its 4WD design provides excellent traction and stability on various surfaces, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced RC car users. This car comes with 3 upgraded 500 mAh rechargeable batteries, extending playtime significantly compared to standard RC cars. Each battery provides approximately 15 minutes of runtime, giving users a total of up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted fun. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures responsive and interference-free operation, allowing multiple cars to race simultaneously without signal conflicts. Equipped with LED car lamps, the Woltoys 284131 stands out during nighttime use, adding a stylish and functional feature. The car's micro-design includes a detailed chassis and premium materials that enhance durability and realism. The high-precision steering system provides smooth and accurate handling, ideal for executing advanced drifts and sharp turns. This mini RC drift car is lightweight, portable, and suitable for indoor or outdoor use. It is a great gift option for RC enthusiasts of all skill levels, delivering fun and adrenaline-packed experiences in a compact package. Number 2. Turbo 176 Scale Mini RC Car. Turbo 176 Scale Mini RC Car is a compact, high-performance remote-controlled vehicle designed for enthusiasts and collectors alike. With a realistic 1:76 scale design, it features 2.4 GHz remote control technology for smooth, interference-free operation. The car is equipped with classic LED headlights for a stylish look and enhanced visibility during night play. It offers full proportional controls, allowing precise adjustments to speed and direction for a lifelike driving experience. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, its durable build ensures longevity. The sleek C73 Gray model is a standout choice for those who appreciate miniature yet detailed vehicle replicas. Number 3. Dual F124 RC Racing Car. To get into RC racing fast with a budget car, this is a great choice. Most importantly, for an entry-level car, it uses a more traditional remote than most RC cars. Budget cars with controller-like remotes don't provide practice for you if you later decide to upgrade or add to your collection. The budget price of this car does mean it won't go at blistering speeds, but the motor and turning radius are worth your time. This performs better than the assorted $15 to $20 RC cars you can find in any given store. Having a low entry price also means should something awful befall your car, or if you just want more to race with friends, the expense will be kept low. However, if a part breaks down on this car, it is not built for repair like many higher-priced models, so total replacement is the only option. Number 4. Woltoys 4401 Racing RC Car. Enjoying your cars, but want to take something out to the park or parking lot? Grab this solid buggy from Woltoys and you'll have a blast in no time. Getting to larger cars, this is a 114 monster that can reach blistering quick speed. This buggy can take off into a wheelie without trouble and make jumps with its high-power motor and wheel suspension. Able to take a beating as an affordable RC basher, keep in mind the power behind those 4 wheels so you don't leave a mark. For the scale and type of car, its pricing is unbeatable. The 14401 is capable of keeping up with rigs that cost 4 times as much. That said, it has downsides besides its awkward name. Customization will be limited compared to other brands, and it is not made with all metal parts. Number 5. Gesture RC Car. Not every joyride with your RC car has to be for high-speed racing. Stunt cars are unique to drive and bash with, such as up or down steps and across jumps. Many stunt cars boast the ability to drive sideways using omnidirectional wheels, and this one is no exception. You can perform a lot of interesting tricks with this car besides moving sideways. Controlling it with the gesture remote feels exciting and high-tech. Falls or flips are no issue due to its ability to drive upside down, and its adjustable height gives it a lot of flexibility. Number 6. Danchee RidgeRock. When it comes to the outdoor experience, running over rocks and small hills is great fun, and this will let you do it all. Crawlers are a popular type of RC car due to their ability to jump boxes, reach over obstacles, and complete fantastic feats. While not as fast as other vehicles, this ride offers you a unique experience that's great to set up a course for or to take to your local park. You may want to skip this RidgeRock offering, though, if you don't have a good space for a course or have limited terrain options. Without enough room and ample things to tackle and climb, the driving experience suffers. However, if you have access to a yard with some interesting locales, or a large room and some boxes, you can have plenty of fun with a crawler. Knocking things over or climbing a set of makeshift stairs brings plenty of joy to driving every day. Number 7. Haktoys RC Stunt Car. Haktoys Radio Remote Control Stunt Car is a dynamic all-terrain RC toy designed for kids, boys, and adults who love action-packed play. Equipped with two-sided driving capability and a 360-degree rotation feature, this all-wheel drive truck delivers high-speed stunts and thrilling flips. The durable design ensures resilience on various surfaces, including grass, sand, and indoor floors. The car operates on a 2.4 GHz remote control system, allowing two players to race and perform tricks simultaneously without interference. The vibrant LED lights add an exciting visual element during play, especially in low-light conditions. Powered by rechargeable batteries, it ensures extended playtime, while the easy-to-use controls make it perfect for beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts alike. A great gift for enhancing motor skills and providing hours of fun. Number 8. Traxxas 1/16 E-Revo. When you need to pull out all the stops and go for the very best, Traxxas is here for you. With the option to pump the juice up for 50 miles per hour or higher speeds through upgrades and custom builds, this buggy is beyond all others. The motor and chassis are high quality with everything needed to start driving included in the box. Those willing to put in the time and budget will find this to be the superior racing rig. Adding a battery and making adjustments to your liking will leave you with a premium car.